Pretty typical. Driving home from work and I get a flat tire. What a cluster. And the tire has a pulley system underneath to get the tire out. It's just a mess. I'm not one to complain, and I don't mind fixing it, but this is not the best scenario, especially after a day when you've been in the OR all day and now you're coming home to be done for the day. That said, if I'm going to change a tire, might as well get it on video, right? So yeah, get this thing spun out, which lowers the tire. Now I gotta pull this out. I don't know how much slack it has. It seems to have a lot more than I thought. Tire's completely dead. I was going down 95 and I get this warning, my tire's low, which has been normal recently with all the cold weather. Warm, cold, the tires are low, then they get high, but it dropped pretty quick. And the question is, how do you get this thing out? This is not straightforward. This whole pulley system, I don't even know how to disconnect the damn thing. Ugh. Spread retaining tabs on plastic and pull metal to release plastic from plate. Slide metal stamping up and steer it through. What a disaster. Alright, got this off. Not to mention, this thing's been under my car for 4 years and never had to be used. So needless to say, my hands are a mess. Now I gotta jack up the car and get this thing on. Then you gotta get the old tire back on this pulley system, get it back under the car. These are things that will not go right. Nothing like a long day at work. On your way home, this is what you're left to deal with. Alright. Good news is I've done this before, so hopefully this isn't as tricky. Not on this car, other cars. Alright. Check the picture before I do this. Alright, the jack is up. Let's hope the guys that tightened this didn't make it impossible for me to get these lug nuts off. What a fucking cluster. I feel like the dad from A Christmas Story. All I need Ralphie is here to kick over the lug nuts and curse. Tires on. Good thing about my job is I wear scrubs, so if these get messed up, I don't care. Alright, that's done. Getting it done? Not the way to end the day.
Yeah, rough.
Alright, let's lower this and hope the car doesn't blow up. So loose, loosely tightened. It's pretty loose. Alright, you gotta look at how this thing's set up. This is a shit show in itself. This tire's gonna go under here. I don't know how. This just pops out. So it's got this cap covering the wheel opening, and I can't get that cap out so I can put it back on this damn winch. Painful. All right, did it. Nothing to make you feel more like a man than changing a tire. Good thing this isn't a speed test. I would have failed miserably. Oh, I hooked this up. There we go. Eureka. Better not do that, I'll end up pulling the car over on me. And then this does the same thing. But you didn't know my vlog was going to be filled with roadside assistant techniques. I'm pretty sure I have AAA. I don't know what you guys would think of me if I would have called AAA for a tire. Question is, how do I get this damn thing back in? Ah, it's gotta go through the center, the very center. Ah. Alright, now to get this thing lowered. Moment of truth. See if this thing falls off or my car tips over. Watch this tire be flat too. Possibilities of things that could go wrong right now. I think I remember seeing you when you tighten these things, you go like star pattern, you stagger everything. So that's what I'm doing. Right or wrong. I still have to get down 95. I don't want this thing to come off. Seems pretty good to me. Just take it nice and slow. Now, to get this tire back in. I think's pretty funny. Through all this, nobody came to see if I was okay. Not that I expect anybody to, but you know, I'm at a college, so most of these people are kids. Most of them, I can imagine, don't know anything about cars or how to change a tire. All right, we're almost there. Feeling this cable and make sure it's getting tighter. Last thing I need is for this damn thing to fall out of my car on 95. Alright, that's good. I'm gonna lower the jack. Get the hell out of here. Alright, tire's just about down. The jack wants to come out, so I'm gonna start raising this. Maybe I'll put that all the way down, right? Screw it. I'm gonna lower this thing first. Definitely get man points for today. Jack's off. That's down. Guess there's a worse place to break down. Luckily I was right next to the college, so I could pull over here real quick. Shit. Ah, we're airborne. Oh, it's not going up straight. Damn it. Alright, time to put this away. Mission complete. Now to just load everything back up and get back on the road. Now it's rush hour. So now I get the joys of sitting in traffic. Really sucks that an hour ago I was ahead of all this. I wasn't gonna have any issue getting home. But you know what? Life could be worse. I'm not gonna let a little flat tire ruin my day. Driving around the Beltway, you see everything from people getting killed in car accidents to maniacs. This is nothing. And I did it myself. It's pretty interesting, you know, you think about it, we don't have too many issues anymore with flats and stuff. It's all pretty straightforward. And people who have AAA and all these other things, that flats aren't an issue. What is an issue is getting the, there it is, the jack back in. But we're good. That's in. Guess this goes in here some kind of way. Is not easily self-identifiable. Yeah. There we go. The other downside to my setup is I have to keep a lot of shit in my car for work. So they don't keep flat tire stuff easily accessible, which is a huge pain in the butt. All right, now to pack up the car. Cue the Benihana music. Now for the maiden test voyage. Let's hope we make it home without issue. I'm not sure what time. Let's see. 3:06. Took me an hour and 4 minutes. Some of you are probably shaming me for how long that took, but I think I've changed 3 flat tires. Flat tires don't happen all the time. I've never used AAA. I have AAA, and I have roadside assistance. Never used it. I did this on my own. All right. Hope I make it home. Oh man, even this tire reads 14. Ugh. Well, this is the moment of truth. I'm gonna take it nice and slow, but I'm about to back out. Let's see if it backs out and the wheel falls off. Oh, parking brakes on. Parking brakes off. So far, so good. We're going back and to the right. Tires still on. I think we're good. Now to find a gas station and get home. I won't make you sit through all that. Later.